How's it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarbrough and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some very special shoes to unbox, as well as to give you some close-up and on-feet looks. But before we do that, go ahead and subscribe down below. I'm doing a giveaway once I pass 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now to make sure you don't miss out on that giveaway. I am so excited to unbox these and get them on my feet. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I am so excited to unbox these. I won this pair off Sneakers. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous that box is. Another chocolate brown Nike Jordan 1 box. I can't believe I hit on Sneakers twice. Just so you guys know that they're legit, there is the receipt from Nike. I seriously cannot believe that I hit on another pair of Travis Scott's. The box label reads Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP T. Looks like we've got the same pink tissue paper. I'm so excited to see these. Oh wow. The smells coming out of the box, so good. These are pretty freaking sweet. Straight out of the box, I can tell you they used the exact same suede as they did on the high pair. This brown suede, high quality, very soft. These are absolutely awesome. I did not know that they came with 3 separate laces. If you haven't watched my video on the Travis Scott 1 highs, I'll put the link in the description below. Make sure you check that out. I went through, put every single lace color in the shoe, and it looks like I'm gonna need to do that again on this video. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I've got some up close shots coming right now. On the Nike swoosh is very nice quality. The suede again is just like the OG hide, and instead of a leather swoosh on the inside or medial side of the foot, they went with that same brown suede. So a little bit different than the original high pair. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to put these on feet. And like I said, I will be putting every shoelace color in the shoe. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video.